Welcome back to the Senior Living Experience YouTube channel. So happy to see you all have come back for another important video on our next round of documents that you're able to access via our website. And this is 7 important documents you need, Senior Edition. The goal of these documents is for you to jump online, download them directly to your computer, or just print them directly from the website, either one, whichever works for you. But the goal of these documents is to start the planning process, start thinking about these things, and then also use these documents as a place to house this information, so that not only it's easily accessible for you and your spouse, but also for a family member, a friend, or anyone else on your advisory team that might need access to these in a pinch, or they just might need access to your computer password, or to know what your checking account number is if they need to access it, or who is your power of attorney, who's your medical directive, do you have a living will, do you have a mortgage on your house? If so, who's your mortgage holder, or is your home paid off? Who's actually on your advisory team? This could be a lawyer, a CPA, a family member, a friend, but put their contact information here so that if someone needs to access it, they can easily pull open these documents and see who it is and how to contact them. Another important thought process on these that you'll see in these 7 important documents you need is, where are you going to house these documents? So find a special place and communicate it to someone on your advisory team, whether those documents are going to live in a safe deposit box, or maybe they're going to be in a desk in your office, or are they in a fireproof box in your master bedroom closet, or do they just live on a junk drawer in your kitchen? Anywhere that they are, just communicate this to someone in your family or someone on your advisory team, so that if someone, including you, needs quick access to this information, it's there. The hard work has already been done, and anyone can easily access these things. So again, check them out on the website, seniorlivingexp.com. Again, this is just meant to be pre-planning for you and planning for you and your family, and get the thoughts working on some of the answers to some of these questions in the document. So as always, see you all next time. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll talk to you soon.